Rank #1 on Google using a free AI tool. Google just upgraded NotebookLM with Gemini 3. It finds content gaps your competitors missed, builds perfect SEO outlines in seconds, and creates full articles that actually rank. I'm going to show you the exact workflow step by step. Today we're talking about something huge. Google just dropped a massive update to NotebookLM, and nobody's talking about how powerful this is for SEO. Here's what most people don't understand. You're out here trying to rank on Google using 10 different tools. You're manually reading competitor articles, you're guessing what to write about, you're hoping your content ranks, and it takes forever. But there's a better way, and it's completely free. NotebookLM just got upgraded with Gemini 3. And this changes everything for SEO. It can analyze your top 10 competitors in seconds. It finds every single content gap they missed. It builds you a perfect outline based on what's actually ranking. And it even generates the full article for you, all inside one tool from Google for free. Let me show you exactly how this works. The new Gemini 3 upgrade makes NotebookLM way smarter. It understands search intent better. It catches things other AI tools miss, and it doesn't hallucinate facts like other tools do. They also added the Studio panel, which saves all your outputs. They added flashcards, which are perfect for FAQ schema, and it connects directly to Google Drive. That means you can import competitor pages instantly. Then there's deep research mode. This thing will go find sources for you automatically. And they added video and slide generation. So you can turn your SEO content into visual assets, YouTube videos, presentations, social media posts, all from the same research. Now, let me show you the exact workflow. Step 1 is simple. Go to Google, search your target keyword. Let's say you want to rank for best AI automation tools for small business. And that's a keyword that could bring clients to the AI Profit Boardroom, people searching that want solutions, they want to grow, they want automation. So you search that keyword and you copy the URLs of the top 10 results. You're basically stealing the blueprint from everyone who's already winning. Step 2, go to NotebookLM, create a new notebook, and paste those 10 URLs as sources. NotebookLM will analyze every single page. It reads everything. It understands the structure. It sees what's working. Now, here's where the magic happens. Step 3 is about asking the right questions. First, ask for a search intent summary. What are people actually looking for when they search this keyword? Second, ask for common headings and how often they appear. If 8 out of 10 articles have a section called pricing comparison, you better have that section too. This tells you what Google expects to see. Third, and this is the big one, ask for 6 or more content gaps. What did every competitor miss? What questions didn't they answer? This is how you beat them. You find what's missing and you add it. Fourth, ask for an optimized outline with keywords and FAQs. You want a full structure with headings, subheadings, and keyword placement. And fifth, ask for word counts. How long should each section be? Step 4 is generating the actual content. Once you have that outline, you can ask NotebookLM to write the full article, section by section, or all at once. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with NotebookLM, but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads and more customers, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online, and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. And here's what's wild. Because it analyzed the top 10 results, it knows what works. It's not guessing, it's using data. Step 5 is exporting. NotebookLM lets you export directly to Google Docs. One click, done. Now you can edit it, polish it, add your own voice, add real examples. For instance, if you're writing about AI automation tools, you could add something like at the AI Profit Boardroom. We use these exact tools to help members automate their lead generation. We've seen businesses cut their workload in half while doubling their output. That's proof. That adds credibility. Step 6 is repurposing. You can generate video overviews from your research. You can create audio summaries. You can make slide decks. You can turn one piece of SEO research into 5 different content formats. One notebook, multiple assets, maximum leverage. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Now let me show you some pro tips. First tip, combine NotebookLM with ChatGPT. Use NotebookLM for research and outlines. Use ChatGPT to polish the final content. This combo is unstoppable. Second tip, use those flashcards for FAQ schema. FAQ schema shows up as rich snippets in Google. It makes your result stand out. Third tip, batch your notebooks. Don't just do one keyword at a time. Create 10 notebooks, 20 notebooks, each one targeting a different keyword, then track them all in a Google Sheet. You're building a content machine. Now let's talk about why this actually works. Most people create content in a vacuum. They write what they think people want. They guess at structure. They hope it ranks. That's gambling. NotebookLM flips the script. You start with data, you start with what's already working, you analyze the winners, you find the gaps, you build something better. Here's a real example of how this could work for the AI Profit Boardroom. Let's say you want to rank for how to use AI to grow your consulting business. You follow the workflow, you analyze the top 10 results, and you notice something. None of them talk about community support. None of them mention live coaching. None of them show real workflows that members can follow. That's your gap. So you create content that covers everything the top 10 cover, but then you add sections on why community matters for AI implementation, how live support helps you move faster, how proven workflows eliminate guesswork. Suddenly, you're not just another article. You're the most complete resource. You're the obvious choice. And here's the beautiful part. You can do this for any keyword, any niche, any topic. The workflow stays the same. Search, analyze, find gaps, build outline, create content, export, repurpose. It's a system, and systems scale. This is how you win with AI. You don't just use it to generate random content. You use it to research, to analyze, to find opportunities, to build better than what exists. The AI does the heavy lifting. You do the strategy. SEO is not dead, it's evolving. And the people who win are the people who adapt, who use the best tools, who follow proven systems. NotebookLM is one of those tools. It's free, it's powerful, it's backed by Google. And most people have no idea how to use it for SEO. That's your advantage. You know the workflow now, you know the prompts, you know the strategy. So the only question is whether you'll actually use it. You can watch this video and do nothing, or you can open NotebookLM right now, pick a keyword, follow the steps, and create something that ranks. The people who take action always win. The people who sit on the sidelines always wonder what could have been. If you want to rank number one, get more customers, and actually win with AI SEO, this is your next move. We're not talking theory or recycled tips. This is the exact system we're using right now. Real workflows, weekly live support, clear action steps you can actually follow. If you're serious about scaling with SEO and AI, join the SEO Elite Circle. That's where we break things down live, fix real problems, and help you move faster with zero guesswork. Hit the link in the description, join the SEO Elite Circle today. So here's my challenge to you. Try it once, just once, pick one keyword, follow the 6 steps, see what happens. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. And when you get that first piece of content ranking, when you see that traffic coming in, you'll understand why this matters. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more AI SEO updates every single week. And comment below and let me know what keyword you're going to target first. And I'll see you in the next one.